Ergonomics in administrative workers. It is a multidisciplinary field of knowledge that also studies the characteristics, needs, capabilities, and skills of human beings, with the aim of analyzing those aspects that influence the product design or production processes. Types of work ergonomics. First, environmental ergonomics. Therefore, it is responsible for the study of the physical conditions that surround human beings and which, in turn, influence their performance when carrying out various activities. These include sound, light, and thermal environments, as well as vibration. Second, physical ergonomics. Therefore, it evaluates the anatomical, anthropometric, physiological, and also biomechanical characteristics of the human being in relation to physical activity. First of all, working postures. Also, the handling of loads. Finally, repetitive movements. Third, cognitive ergonomics. In addition, it assesses the mental process involved in the interactions between people and systems, such as perception, memory, reasoning, and motor response. 1. Decision making. 2. Human errors. 3. Work stress. Organizational ergonomics. This focuses on the optimization of socio-technical systems, including organizational structures, policies, processes, and also work culture. Initially, we can name time management, like shift and active breaks. Then we can mention teamwork, and finally, the work environment. Impact of ergonomic risk on administrative staff. Musculoskeletal disorders, MSDS. The most common injuries associated with ergonomics hazard include carpal tunnel syndrome, tendonitis, epicondylitis, and lower back pain, reduction in productivity. Employees suffering from musculoskeletal pain often have reduced work capacity and may require more rest time. Increased absenteeism, health problems arising from ergonomic risks, health problems arising from ergonomic risks, health problem arising from ergonomic risks can lead to increased absenteeism and higher costs for the company. Psychological impact. Chronic pain and injuries can cause stress, anxiety, and depression, affecting employees' mental health. Main sources of ergonomics risks: repetitive movements. Performing the same task repeatedly can cause repetitive strain injuries. Incorrect postures. Maintaining incorrect postures for prolonged periods can cause stress on muscles and joints. Load handling. Lifting, pushing, or pulling heavy objects can cause injuries to your back and other parts of your body. Poorly designed work environment. Workspaces that are not adapted to the ergonomic needs of employees can increase the risk of injury. Practical application. Ergonomics in office workplace. A key section for our work is to show the application of principles. Chair. It should be adjustable in height, backrest, and armrest. The backrest should have lumbar support. Table. The height should allow the elbow to form an angle of 90 to 100 when typing. Monitor. The top edge of a screen should be at or slightly below eye level. It should be 50 to 70 cm. Hips and knees at 90 degrees angle or slightly greater. General posture. Back full support out. Creo que la leí otra vez. Break recommendation. Take active micro breaks of 2 to 5 minutes every 30 or 60 minutes of continuous work.